Okay, it's Thursday the 23rd of July. I'm on the FTSE again. You can see I've marked my zone in here. Just before I start actually, I've been asked a couple of times now why I have this box on the left hand side of the screen. This is purely because it has all of my order details right here. Personal information that I don't want to be sharing on YouTube. Now this is the zone that I've marked in on the FTSE. I was expecting this to be a support zone. The market did come down here like this, and it has bounced, and then the market has returned down. Now the market has now made a lower low in this zone, and the FTSE is quite negative. So what's happened is the market has came down and then has bounced up in the zone and rejected on this candle right here. This little pin bar. Now this was supposed to be a support zone for me. However, I've let the market tell me what it's doing. As well as taking this move, it has now came back up, gave me a rejection signal, so I am selling this market to down just before the next zone down here. My stop currently is sitting above the high, but what I will do is watch the market and see how the market reacts, because this is not the way I had intended to trade this zone. Okay, we'll see how this one goes. Okay, that order has now completed. I took 15 points out of the market there. It's actually dropping away a little bit further. When I said I was going to manage the position, I'm just going to show you what I was talking about. Because this was the opposite direction of my initially intended trade this morning, I just wanted to make sure that I managed it a bit closer. So you can see when I entered on this candle, the market then pushed up. I began watching the market as it got to the top of the zone. This candle here had a strong tail at the top, which told me that it was rejecting. We had another rejection here and another rejection here. Adding to this confluence, telling me that the trade was still going okay, this moving average here is the 60 simple moving average. And this gives me a general idea of the trend on a 5-minute chart. And you can see the candles couldn't break through the 60 SMA. Also, when they moved on to the bullish side of the 8 exponential moving average, you can see we had a short run up and then instantly rejected back underneath. So this all told me that it was okay to hold this position. I wouldn't have let it break above the high of this candle. I was watching it. A couple of candles came close but didn't quite make it. And we took 15 points out of the market. If we look at the daily time frame, you can see here, this was the zone down here. I was looking for a buy because it was the low of this long tail here, which also tied up with the bottom of these bodies. I didn't quite get it. The market pushed up a little bit, not as much as I was expecting. But with trading, you have to be ready to adapt and follow what the market is telling you. Okay, so if you are learning how to trade, as always, do subscribe to Decisive Trading. There are more videos to come, and I hope you have a great rest of your week. I'm James Orr. Thank you.